If you've decided to close your YouTube TV account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Membership. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Membership option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your subscription details. Step 4. Cancel your membership. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your decision to cancel your subscription. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After cancelling your membership, you may need to confirm the closure of your account. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube TV account will be closed. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails regarding your cancellation.